Hello, all of you. Today we are going to discuss the topic on interconversion of number systems. We know that there are four number systems as decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal, and this can be interconverted to each other. Okay, our topic is interconversion means one number system can be converted to another and vice versa. So let's see how to convert any decimal number into binary number. The base or radix of decimal number system is 10 and base of binary number system is 2 because the numbers included in decimal number system are 10 from 0 to 9, total 10 numbers. So the base or radix of decimal number system is 10 and the binary number system consists of two digits or two bits only as 0 and 1. So the base or radix of this number system is 2. So how to convert the base 10 number system into base 2 number system? For this we have to use a division method to convert such numbers or base 10 numbers to another base. Let's see the steps. First of all, divide the given number means the base 10 number or decimal number with 2 until the result finally left is less than 2. Okay, the remainders are important in this conversion here. Actually, the remainders are the answers and they are taken from bottom to top order. Note that this procedure is for the decimal numbers with no fractions. There are two parts, okay, in decimal number system as real part and fractional part. Okay, so this procedure is for no fractional part or for real part decimal number system, and the another procedure we are going to discuss is for a decimal number consisting of a fraction means with a decimal point. The procedure for converting the fractional part is we have to divide by 2 in non-fractional part, and here we have to multiply with 2 to the fractional part. Okay, that is this method is multiplication method. The multiplication is performed with the required base numbers. If here we want to convert the fractional decimal number into binary, then it is multiplied by 2. Again, steps to convert the fractional decimal to binary are as: firstly, we have to multiply the given number by 2, then write the real part and fractional part separately from the result, then multiply the fractional part with 2, not real part. Okay, if the result we got is the combination of real and fractional, then we have to take the fractional part only from the result, and that fractional part is again multiplied by 2, and the real part is considered it is an answer. Okay, only the fractional part is multiplied by 2, and then this process is repeated until the fractional part remains 0. Okay, and if the fractional part does not terminate to 0, find the result up to as many places are required. Okay, so let's see the example as 18 decimal should be converted into base 2 or binary number system, and 18.625 decimal number should be converted into binary. Both the examples can be converted to binary according to the process or procedure steps required or discussed as above. So using the division method, when 18 is divided by 2, quotient is 9. Okay, and remainder is 0. This is the simple division. We just have to take remainders from each division, and let's see how can we take the remainders. Here 18 is divided by 2, the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 2. Again, when 9 is divided by 2, here quotient is 4 but remainder is 1. Again 4 is divided by 2, then the quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. Again 2 is divided by 2, then quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. And then when 1 divided by 2 comes, quotient becomes 0 and remainder becomes 1, because 1 divided by 2 has 0 answer. Okay, so now we have to write remainders from bottom to top, that is right from last remainder, then second last remainder, and next, and so on. Remember, we have to divide the quotient again and again until the quotient becomes 0. So here 1 upon 2 steps is not shown, but we can write it as 1 upon 2 with quotient 0 and remainder 1. Again here you can see 18 decimal becomes 10010 in binary. Okay, the arrow indicates the direction or the sequence of remainders as an answer. So it is taken from bottom to top. So 18 is equal to 10010. Okay, for fractional part, that is for 0.625, because now we have only seen the 18 example, or 18 decimal number can be converted into binary by division by 2 method. Okay, so for 18.625 example, 18 conversion process is same, and the question is for fractional part 0.625 decimal. Here we have to multiply 0.625 by 2. See how it is converted with the multiplication method. Okay, using multiplication method we have, see this table. Here 0.625 is multiplied by 2, then the answer is actually 1.250. You can calculate, but the real part is 1 and the fractional part is 0.25 as seen in this table, and we need here the real part for the answer. Okay, for next bit we have to multiply the fractional part 0.25 by 2 again. Now here 0.25 multiplied by 2, the answer is 0.50. So real part is 0 and fractional part is 0.50. Again 0.50 is multiplied by 2, then real part will become 1 and fractional part will become 0. So we'll stop here. Okay, in this example we stop after 3 iterations. Now traverse the real part from top to bottom to obtain the required number in base 2. Okay, these steps are again shown here. Whatever the table previously is shown, its explanation or its steps are shown here. So travels the real part column from top to bottom to obtain the required number in base 2, that is in the binary number. We will obtain 0.625 decimal is equal to 0.101 binary. Okay, now combining the real part and fractional part, we have 18.625 decimal is equal to 10010.101 binary. Okay, this number I can read, or I will read as 18.625 decimal. This 10 base or suffix to the parenthesis 10 or 2 can be read as decimal and binary. Okay, 10 for decimal, 2 for binary, but we have to compulsory write when we are going to write these numbers. Always write the base after parenthesis so that um, we can differentiate these numbers, because some octal numbers are also included in decimal numbers, some decimal numbers are also are in hexadecimal numbers. So base is important to write. So I can read 18.625 decimal is equal to 10010.101 binary. Binary numbers are always read as 1010 in this form only, not 100.101. Okay, binary numbers contains only two numbers, 0 or 1, so compulsorily we should read 10010.101 binary, 2 for binary. You can obtain the decimal numbers from 1 to 15 into binary by your own, or take it as an assignment for you. You will definitely enjoy this conversion process. It is very simple, easy and interesting. In next video, we will meet with the next interconversion process. If you find this helpful, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.